what available? Ecology, history. One-on-one with nature. It's so amazing to be here at Karura. And you know, this place is amazing. This place is just fresh. Yani, away from the city, away from everything. Away. It's just you, the trees, and whoever you came there. And this time around, I tagged my beautiful JJs, and we are here just having so much fun. Wameandika? Go ahead, Mama. Just go. Go ahead. This way. They are called waterfalls, not these things. Which one did I finish? Why are you sweating and the young man is not sweating? This one, why are you not sweating? You don't have jeans for sweating. Look, this one. Look. Ooh.
And your heart is getting sweat.
No problem. Just wear it. Just put it on. Young man, why are you not sweating? Go stand there. And pose for a photo. Pose for a photo. Tired people. It's a big family here. Big family. When you want to go where they are coming from? So far so good. We are on 3.5 kilometers. That is after 47 minutes. Yeah, but hakuna haraka hapa. We go. Shh, just listen. The soothing music. Can you hear? So far. Can you hear that? Oh my. Hi, Mama. Can you hear the music? Don't hide the person. Come with me.
You go and run.
Bend your head to the knee. Nice. Turn again. Sorry. Okay, do like this. Opposite. No, opposite leg and hand. You see, this is my hand, but I'm tapping to this leg. So lift the other leg. Yes, like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then do like this. Yes. Yes. Good. Then hooray. Here go the cave. Still moving and moving and moving, and we almost there. This has been a good experience with very refreshing thoughts. I think so. Tuko karibu kwa gate. Talking to me. Have you enjoyed yourself? Have you had a good time? Have you seen big trees? Tell people thank you for watching our channel and keep subscribing. Tell them. Oh, it's closed. The nursery is closed, but at least we are coming to see the nursery. Yes, I myself have really had an amazing time. Doodles. Good. I feel good. La 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 la. So good. So good. So good. So good. La 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 la. I feel good. So good. Ooh, so good. Jason, say hi. How was the run and walk?
Fine.
Come here, tell me. How was it?
Fine.
Are you tired?
Yes.
How are you feeling?
Yeah?
How are you feeling?
Fine.
Would you do it again? Would you do it again?
I don't know.
Ah, how comes you don't know? Was it something that you'd like to do again?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Yes.
I also don't know. I also don't know whether I would like to do it again, but it was super amazing. Hi! Don't steal my...
You see? Little massage of Jason. Jason. Hello. Hi. Hi, Jason. Hi. Hey, leg. Hey, leg. Hey, leg. Hi. Our mom not even about this.
Sleep with that, your stomach?
Like this. It's a good massage.
Next. Welcome to, I'm also a massager, but baby's massage only.
Hello, John. John, look at me. Look at the camera. Hi, guys. I'll do a massage. It's chicken.
It's too cool. It's too cool.
Even me have been massaged.
Look at this guy.
He's laughing. It's feeling ticklish.
Sleep well. Should you push them? Ruby, go back a bit.
Go back, go back. Wants to laugh again. Mom dancing and while massaging. Massaging, hearing music. He's waking up because of the ticklishness.
Not tickling, she's feeling pain.
It's not ticklishness because she's laughing.
No.
Ow! Wow! Chelsea said that when laughing.
Ow. She's just laughing.
Just laughing how?
I sleep on your back.
Now sleep. Now it's sleepy. So the kite has stopped. Music now it has been going to turn on again. Mom, close that door too. You know the video is continuing. They're waiting for you. Now, Joanna, how are you feeling? Now here he comes. Do massage again. You could see even
The massage is done.
the massage is not massaging, he's dancing. Massage! The one who's been massaged is getting angry.
Go.
Move. But not
Move well. Don't look at me.
Massage. Massage. Even my knees have been sad. So very right now they're just okay. Now it's time for this one to be okay. The massage said it now.
No, you have to pay me.
Well, at least me have get out without being paid.
And
I'm
her
not
video,
paid.
take me video. We had an amazing time at Karura Forest, and we really enjoyed the walk, and the kids were a bit tired, but anyway, they really enjoyed, and I can't wait to go back there again and just connecting with nature. It's always an awesome moment just to be somewhere silent, cool, relaxed, refreshing, and just getting those fresh thoughts and just renewing and re-energizing. Yeah, so we had so much fun. Hope you have enjoyed the videos. Kindly keep on liking, comment,
tell a friend to subscribe, and see you in my next video. Thank you. Ta-da!